Hi, my name is Rye. I'm a rising junior at Greenwich High School, and the project I'm building is a 3-joint robotic arm. My first milestone was just to connect one potentiometer and one servo to the Arduino. Basically how this works is the Arduino will read the potentiometer's value on a range from 0 to 1023, and it will convert this value to an angle between 0 and 180, and then this PWM pin on the Arduino will send a signal to the servo for the angle, so it knows where to turn. And the signal it sends a pulse between 1 and 2 milliseconds, and a pulse that is closer to 2 milliseconds will correspond to an angle that's closer to 180, and a pulse closer to 1 millisecond will correspond to an angle that's closer to 0. And then the servo will get the signal and turn to whatever angle that the pulse corresponds to and hold this position. So it works like I just turn the knob and the servo will turn. So one thing that I enjoyed on this milestone was just finally getting it finished. One of the obstacles I faced was the servo. Whenever I plugged in both the PWM pin and the power, it would just turn uncontrollably. It would twitch and it wouldn't respond to the potentiometer at all. Next, I have to connect 3 more potentiometers and 4 more servos that I'll be using my arm to the Arduino and get all of that working properly.